Meta just dropped a digital alarm system for creators, and content thieves are about to have a very, very bad day. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. It's a major win for reel makers everywhere, as Meta has unveiled Facebook Content Protection, a powerful new tool designed to stop copycats from snatching original reels and reposting them across Facebook and Instagram. For creators who watch their hard-earned views get stolen away by imitators, this is nothing short of a game changer. Here's how it works. As soon as someone re-uploads your reel, Meta sends you an alert. From there, you're in control. You can hide the repost, limit how many people see it, check its performance, or add a link that sends viewers back to your profile. And if you want, you can also choose to let the repost stay up. It's all part of Meta's crackdown on theft and impersonation. The company recently wiped out around 10 million fake profiles of famous creators and took action against 500,000 spam accounts. The protection system works for reels originally uploaded on Instagram, but the reel has to appear on Facebook, either posted directly or via Instagram's cross-posting feature for tracking to kick in. Right now, Meta's rolling out access to creators in its content monetization program who meet its standards. Bottom line is, the content theft just got a whole lot riskier, and creators finally have the upper hand. Was this feature needed? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.